100 naira.
Mother, I just walk like I walk for you. Just say, like just like that.
But you dey heartless so.
Ask how.
You work for me. Which kind work you work for me? Even food wey you dey eat, we no fit pay me.
Mama, I just dey look you.
Say wetin happen?
I just dey look you.
Abeg get right for here. Why you come dey borrow for my store? Say wetin happen?
You must give me 100 naira.
Which 100 naira? Which work?
I no work.
Food wey you eat, you fit pay me. You fit pay me.
I said me.
That make person no dey do good for all those poor people.
Mama, the mama.
You don't understand. How you dey, my boy?
Good afternoon, ma.
I hear you.
Good afternoon, ma.
How you dey?
What be the problem here now?
Don't mind am o. This guy when I just try to dey help, he just come say I dey hold am 100 naira.
Yeah.
Except I give am 100 naira.
100
Not to talk of the food wey they eat for my store here.
100
You
naira.
understand?
Yes.
That make them no dey help all
Mama, it's
those.
okay, mama. Carry. Take your 100 naira.
Give me just how they do like all those Yahoo boy. Now 100 naira they give person.
Babe, calm down. Chubby, I be like your boy because of 100 naira. I just dey insult mama. They go.
As he good as I will work, you not pay me 100 naira. Now this 100 will be the last cup when I get.
Come on, they go.
Go where?
Come on,
Be like all those. I some of those girls when they carry go do human trafficking.
God, this girl. Don't worry, let's go.
Why is it that ritual?
Let's go. Don't worry. Let me.
Where they go now?
Babe.
Okay, that day we off my day, sir. Let me try one kind of go do that.
I don't think so.
See, I can manage this 100 naira. Every evening now, this 100 naira.
Can I take you off your evening meal?
Now just manage you. Now you manage you.
Come, let's go. You talk too much.
Nobody hold me safe. I be talking.
Sorry.
You stay front. Oh, who does that? That guy is so funny. Just forget about me. Oh God.
Wait, babe, before I forget, I saw your guy with one butch girl. Babe, that guy is cheating on you.
How do you know that?
Because I saw him with my 2 eyes. Babe, come to think of it. He hasn't even called you for days.
Look, I know you don't call me. Does not mean you don't care about me, or does not mean you don't love me. It's just that he's busy with his work.
Work.
Yes, and I'm fine with that.
Fine with that. And babe. Busy with his work that he can't even call his babe. I even had the guy still with him.
Hell no. He won't even try that.
Come and see for yourself. Sit down here saying that he can't even cheat on you. Come and see for yourself, babe. That guy is playing around.
No, I don't believe that.
Let's look for a day. Come and see for yourself. That guy is a cheat. Let's look for a day. Let's go and visit him. Babe, please.
Alright, it's fine.
Once more, you're welcome to my house.
Thank you now. That's why they welcome me.
So what will I offer you?
Offer. You know they offer me since, I mean, you offer me give God.
I mean, like drink, wine.
You want wine?
Okay.
I just stay cool. Just leave me like this.
Sorry, let me take this call.
Okay.
Hello, babe. Yeah, I'm at home. Okay, no problem. Yeah, bye. Peter! Paul!
Oga.
Peter!
Oga.
Yeah, you can sit down.
Oga, try to sit down. It's not Christmas.
Paul,
Oga, sir.
go and cook something.
Okay.
Bella is coming.
Okay. Oga, you like cook love?
Go and cook food.
Okay. Oga, which food?
My friend, food.
Food.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Oga, which one you want to do now?
Go and wait for her at the gate.
Now.
Yes.
Okay.
My friend, now.
Okay, Oga.
Peter. Oga. Go and put on the gen.
Oga, which one I do? Carry Magdam come or the gen?
Go and put on the gen.
Okay, like now.
Now.
Okay, Oga.
Look at what she's doing.
Guess what?
This is wonderful.
So you know you're gonna get work, go back on this nonsense.
No, it's YouTube now. YouTube internet, yeah.
Hello, baby.
Oh, look at my baby. You're welcome.
Hey, who is she?
Girlfriend. The both of you should get out from here, my friend.
Oga, where they go?
Get out!
Bella, I told you these guys be shaking around. Bella, ask again, who is she?
It's okay. She's a friend of mine that I met today.
This guy is a shit. Baby, you need to believe me. He's a shit. Believe me. Baby, you brought in this bush girl into the house. What? What nothing?
What?
What? Come.
It's okay. It's okay.
Now me, you slap.
Joy, it's
And
okay.
I will slap her for your face. I will clap for your face.
It's okay.
This
It's
girl
okay.
is
It's okay. It's
crazy.
okay.
She's
It's
just
okay.
crazy.
You
Shut
just-
up, crazy.
It's
You need
okay.
to sit down one place. We're not going to the country. Not trying you.
Mad girl, she's
This
crazy.
is
I think
it's
so.
okay.
Shut up.
It's
Your
okay.
face is not sharp. She's mad girl.
Stop it, you know.
It's okay, leave her.
Don't
I
touch
don't like
her.
this in my house. I don't allow this.
I don't let one control you.
Baby, can you see this?
Leave
Are you
her.
shut up? You say talk, baby. Hey, baby.
Leave
Say I be like
her.
dumb
Leave her
baby.
alone.
Get your like she's a mad girl.
Leave. Baby, please.
Oh, don't
so
boyfriend
sorry.
Snapchat.
Don't
baby,
now.
you are
Don't
shaking
touch her.
around.
Don't.
So mad girl.
Say
You are crazy.
I'm
Boyfriend
sorry,
Snapchat.
I'm sorry. See,
You know Bella, eh? I'm out of here.
I'm sorry.
I'm
Baby,
out of you. Excuse me.
Baby.
Mad girl, she's crazy. Bella,
Let
wait
me
for
talk to
me.
your friend, please.